If you get caught in a guillotine choke, you go ahead, you can wrap the guy around here around the guy's body, control his knee, move to the side, just buck over here. From here you do the same mechanic, you just bring this down, with the chin, open, down, and you can end up on the same one. You can end up in the same mechanic that you've done before, so it's the same way to defend a guillotine choke. If you get caught over here, you can go around over here, and you have another possibility that you can go over here too, grab the guy's belt and move over here. Put a lot of weight on this leg here, and you just buckle the leg. So you can go around, put all the weight on the leg, buckle the leg. Get the guy's body sizes, chin down, 5 fingers together, elbow on the neck, stretch, 1, 2,